Today, we're diving into the world of tequila with a tropical twist. So, I am Josa Nicole Origalado and I'm from BSTM 3D. So, first, kailangan muna natin i-ready ang baso. So, lalagyan muna natin siya ng ice. And then, we have the 3.5 of tequila. Then next, we have the orange juice. So, sa orange juice, kailangan natin ng 3 ounce of orange juice. And for the last one, we need to garnish the orange. So this is the finished product.
Good day everyone, my name is Hazel and I'm presenting to you the Mexican View that's known for its refreshing, spicy, sweet profile. So first is, kailangan muna natin maglagay ng ice sa isang glass. Next is 2 ounces of tequila. Next is 3 ounces of Smirnoff. Next naman is 1/2 of lime juice. And last, we have to garnish it with lime. And now, this is the Mexican View.
Hola, it's me, Bianca. Are you guys ready for some ranch water? It's easier than you think. There are 3 ingredients ingredients for fresh water, but first we need to put some ice. Next step, we're going to put 2 ounces of tequila. Then 2 ounces of fresh chicken. And lastly, a pinch of lime. And here is the final product.
Good day everyone, I'm Princess May Nasalita. Today I will show you how to mix El Diablo. The El Diablo cocktail gets its name from the Spanish word devil. The drink is traditionally made with tequila, but vodka or rum can also be used. The recipe for this mid-century classic, which combines tequila, raspberry juice instead of creme de cassis, lime fruit, and ginger beer. So, first, maglalagay muna tayo ng yelo sa shaker. Then, mag-a-add tayo ng 1 1/2 ounces of tequila. Next, 3 ounces of ginger beer. And 1/2 ounces of fresh lime juice. Then, isi-shake natin siya until well chilled. Then, ilalagay na natin siya sa glass. I-strain natin siya. And maglalagay ulit tayo ng cubes, ice cubes. Then, top with raspberry juice. And garnish with lime fruit. So, here's the final product, El Diablo.
Good day everyone, my name is Maria Mary Estarda. So today I will show you how to mix tequila mockingbird. Unleash your inner literary connoisseur with tequila mockingbird, a witty twist on the classic cocktail, blending tequila, citrus, and a hint of cuisine. So first, kumuha muna tayo ng glass and lalagyan po natin ng a lot of ice.
lalagyan po siya natin ng Sprite. And after ng Sprite, lalagyan po siya natin ng half of lemon. I-squeeze po natin. Then, blend as lemon sa ganache. So, this is the final.
Good day everyone, my name is Melvin Dimabayo. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Matador cocktail. So first, we need the shaker. So here's the shaker. So let's open it. So we need to fill it with our ice.
The Matador cocktail is a vibrant and tropical drink with a Mexican influence built around tequila, the iconic spirit of Mexico. Its name, Matador, may evoke the bold and dynamic spirit of Spanish bullfighting, aligning with the cocktail's lively flavors.
So after we fill it with the ice, we need 2 ounces of tequila.
The backbone of Matador, tequila, brings earthy and slightly sweet notes, often with a hint of smokiness.
And we need 4 ounces of pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice adds a tropical sweetness and a juicy, refreshing quality, balancing the strength of the tequila.
So after we put the tequila and pineapple juice, we need to put 1/2 of lime juice.
Lime juice provides a zesty tartness that enhances the overall flavor profile and complements both the tequila and pineapple juice.
So after we put all the ingredients, we need to shake it for up to 10 or 20 seconds. So after we shake all the ingredients, let's transfer it into the glass. And let's put garnish. So there you have it.
The Matador cocktail.
Hi, I am Laika and today I will show you how to mix the paloma. So a paloma in Spanish word means dove. So this tequila cocktail has the balance of bitter, sour, and salt. So for our ingredients, I have here the tequila, the lime juice, and grape juice. So to start, in our shaker, put 2 ounces of tequila. Ounce of lime juice, also half ounce of the grapefruit juice, and then mix all the ingredients. Put some ice to the glass. And then pour the shaken cocktail. I will add more ice. add this grapefruit juice. And this is the paloma. Ready to serve!